Hi guys, I just want to get real with you for a minute and let you know that I have haters, and that's fine. Hate on me all you want. I'm not going to quit showing people how to do rock polishing with the Dremel. The haters, they're mad because I'm saying, oh, you can do this with a $50 item or a $100 item. You don't have to go out and buy a $1,700 cab making machine. You can do this, and you know what? That's fine. Let them be haters. But I just wanted to say to all of my subscribers, I want to say thank you so much for supporting me and giving me your questions, your comments, your feedback, because you are the reason that I keep going, and you're the reason I keep making these videos. So today we're going to do a product review of the new Dremel Stylo, and I do have to say I am sold on it. It's exactly what it says it is, and more. And we're also going to teach you how to drill a hole in a rock for a pendant using water. So we'll get right into it. So first things first, this is the Stylo, and it is what it says it is. It is lightweight. It really has no weight to it at all. It's got a power button here, and it's got 5 speeds. Very easy to use, very simple. It plugs into a break apart cord. I don't know if you can see that down there. So if you happen to be moving around a lot and you pull on it, it will come apart. And another great thing about the Stylo is you can hold it like a pencil, you can hold it with the golf grip, but it comes with these great tools. So you're looking at about a $20 pack, maybe a little bit more worth of tools. And this is a $50 machine on the market. I think it's $59 or maybe $60. But you're getting the stylus tool, the Stylo tool, and then you're getting these great foam polishing pads, which are actually way thicker than the ones they sell with the polishing kits. So that's great. It comes with 2 different colettes, and colettes is the part that you screw the tool in with. So you got a real skinny one, and then you also have the traditional one that fits the traditional tools. It comes with a wrench, polish, a small sanding pad, and it comes with a wire brush, and it comes with these 4 great tools right here. So for the money that you're spending, I just want to highly recommend the Stylo tool. And I will leave a link so that you can get on Amazon and pick it up. And when you do that, I just want you to know that you support me and you support my channel. A very small percentage of the sale goes back into me. Doesn't go into me, but it goes back to me. So I highly recommend it. Said you can use it for carving, engraving, polishing, sanding, and I do believe that you can use it for everything that we use the regular Dremels for. It's a hobby tool, so you're not going to be able to use it for as long at a time before it has a heat shut off. But I think this is going to be a game changer for Dremel, for sure, in the hobby field. So the next thing I'm going to do is I'm going to teach you how to take what you see here and be able to polish your or not polish, but drill a hole into your rock like I did here in the last video. So I'm going to teach you how to do this with water, because there are quite a few of you out there asking questions saying, well, aren't you supposed to use water? No, you don't have to, but if you do, it will make your diamond bits last longer, and it will also help keep the dust down. I don't necessarily use water all the time when I'm working with my rocks, but that's because I'm a carver by trade, I guess. I'm not necessarily a lapidary artist. Lapidaries are a strange bunch of people, and they believe that you have to use water for everything, which I don't necessarily believe. And even Bobby Duke, who is another artist that carves rocks, he doesn't use water, and it's not something that everybody has to do, but you know, it's recommended if you want to make your diamond bits last a little bit longer. So I will show you how to drill a hole in a rock, and I'll just use this little tumble guy here as the example, and we'll drill a hole right through the middle of it with water. And to do that, I have a couple things. I have these little wood stacks that are for a Jenga that I got at the dollar store. So I'll be taking 2 of these out. You're going to need a foam or rubber pad, a little bit of leather, Elmer's rubber cement or another glue, and a shallow dish and a C-clamp. So that's all that you're going to need, and I'll show you how to assemble that next. So I mentioned my haters earlier, and they told me just don't bother trying lapidary until you can afford a $1,500 lapidary machine with big wheels. Well, I don't know about you, but I struggled to come up with an extra $100, and even then I'm making sacrifices. Don't get me wrong, I would love to buy an Easy Cab 8-inch wheel machine, but I just don't see that happening anytime soon, and I want to cut and polish rocks now. So I executed a way to do it with a Dremel. And when those lapidary folk who call me stupid for doing this are proven wrong over and over again every time I put a new video out, I don't judge them. It just fuels my ambition to prove them wrong, and I do time and time again. So what's in it for me? Winning, sharing my passion and love for rocks and polishing on the cheap. So if you're a maverick like me and you love showing people it can be done, subscribe to my channel, leave me comments and questions, and if you see a new way of doing things, share it with me and I'll share it on this channel. It's time to enjoy and experience the love of lapidary together. There's a Russian saying I grew up with, you may enjoy, and you may see how it made me who I am, and that is, necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of invention. Necessity is the mother of invention. So what we have here is a piece of leather cut so it fits like a sandwich with the wood and the foam, and I'm going to go ahead and glue it together, and you're going to need 2 of these, so it's like a little sandwich. Okay, I have one glued together already right here ready to go. So for this I just used rubber cement, and I made sure that the soft suede side is sticking out, and I just put some glue down here on the block and on the foam, and then I held it together underneath some heavy rocks while it dried. And then I'll show you after I get this one finished and dried up, I'll show you how to use it for drilling holes. Okay, so I have this all put together, and I have the foam parts on the side where the rock is, and I have the clamp holding it all down together, and then I have the rock sticking out where I'm going to put the hole. Now I'm using the stylo, and I'm using one of the diamond bits that I already had. This is not one that comes with the kit. And I'm going to go ahead and start the hole. I'm going to turn it up to 2. And what's great about this is it's so small, I can get into this tight place, whereas before with the full-size Dremel, I would not have been able to get into it. The water level in this container is just above the rock that I'm grinding. I'm still using the same up and down, straight up and down motion that I use when I'm doing it dry. Okay, I have a nice hole started, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to turn it off, and I'm going to actually, on the very back is the lock button. I'm going to take this off completely. So I got a good idea. I wanted to see if the all-in-one chuck would fit, and it does. So I'm going to go ahead and use this little skinny one on this. Okay, and then we're going to go in nice and tight. We're going to go in and drill that hole out. And I'm going to turn it up to 2.5. Working good. I'm almost all the way through. Alright, I made it all the way through. Not too shabby. Now I'll take it out and see. Let these guys dry off. Not too bad. I think I'm just going to go in. Round it out just a little bit more. You see the tiny little hole I put through there? Looks nice, nice and round. And that's how you do it with water. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you decide to subscribe. Go to my Facebook group, Dremel Lapidary by Kirsten Safford Art. Check out the pinned page, and sign up for a giveaway. I'm doing 20 slabs. So thank you for watching. And take care, everyone. Keep on grinding.